Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain what is trailing stop loss and how we can place a trailing stop loss order in Angel Broking app. Okay, trailing stop loss is a type of robo order or bracket order in which if the last traded price goes up or down in our favor, this stop loss price also moves along with the last traded price. And if the last traded price moves against our favor, stop loss remains in the same position. So it will help us to make more profit and avoid going more loss. Okay, if you are a first time viewer of my channel, please press on this subscribe button, and if you want to open an account with Angel Broking, please press on this link and it will take you to Angel Broking account opening page. There you have to simply give your name, mobile number, city, and you will receive an OTP. Then you press this take me ahead option. Then with an Aadhaar card, PAN card and bank statement, you can easily open an account with Angel Broking. This account opening is completely free and first year AMC is free. Okay, now I am opening Angel Broking app. By pressing it, it will take you to watch list. There you have to select the stock which you would like to buy or sell. I am pressing this one and I am going by buy. Now you have to go with this detailed order. Now order booking page it will reach. There you can see normal order, stop loss order, robo order. You have to press on this robo order. Now you can see in robo order there are two additional order along with the main order. One is target order, other one is stop loss order. Target order help us to hit on the target price. Stop loss order help us to avoid loss. And you can see here a trailing stop loss option and here in a box. By clicking on this box, this trailing stop loss option will be enabled. Now it is enabled. Now I will show you how to place a trailing stop loss order. Now the current market price of ITC is 196. So I am showing here a buy, quantity 10 I am keeping, and price was 196 itself, and limit price I am keeping, and target I am expecting a 10 rupees hike. So 206 I am keeping. Okay, now I will explain about stop loss. Here I am giving a stop loss of 5 rupees down, means 1 is to 2, 10 rupees high. So 191 I am giving, and this is a trigger price. Once this price reaches, stop loss will hit. If once the price of 206 reaches, target order will hit. Any one of this one executed. So stop loss price of 190.9 I am giving. So for easiness I will give 190. Okay. So now I am in trailing stop loss. I am giving 1:1. That means if the last traded price, this 196 increased by 1 rupee, our stop loss also increased by 1 rupee. That is, then the stop loss became 191. Earlier it was 190. So now it is 197. So like that, if the price reaches 201, our stop loss became 196. So that means once the target price or current traded price increased by 1 rupee, stop loss also increasing. So if the price goes above 201, like 203 it became, so 7 rupees increase. So last traded price also increased by stop loss became 197 rupees 8. So it will be a confirmed profit booking even if market comes down against. So like that, even after placing the order, we can modify this target order. If you feel the market will go further up, maybe we can keep this target order as then modify as 200 and 200 and 10 we can give. So as long as the price goes up, this stop loss also goes up. So here I show you by, if you are keeping as 2:1, means 2 rupees increase in last order price, 1 rupees will go up in stop loss. Like that we can set it. Okay friends, if you have any confusion on this one, please comment on the comment box. I'll try to help you out by replying all the comments. Thanks for watching my video.